that the euro is weak, and we know that the yen has been, or as we looked on the index, has been gaining some strength coming above a structure point. But take a look at this right here. We have from last week. Let's look at the numbers from last week so that we can just remind ourselves. The euro, what was that? I'm sorry, that's the euro dollar. I apologize. So the euro dollar, our buying point was 135.37. The short point is 134.36, and the structure point is still 137.37. And our structure short is the 132.66. And let's see what we look here at the chart. So this here was our shorting point right there. And during the week, somebody was asking me during the week, I think it was Liam. Liam, you were asking me about how to use the points during the week. So right now you're short from last week below 134.61. So on Friday, that baby came back here above 134.61. That's a no-brainer. That's a buy. You would have taken 70 pips on that trade with your hands tied behind your back, no problem whatsoever. You've taken an easy $700 on that trade. This is how you use the points during the week. Okay. So with that, this is quite an explosive move in the euro dollar, and of course it corresponds with the selling that we have seen in the dollar on Friday. So with this, even though this is such a big explosive move, I will not be really gung-ho on buying the euro dollar this week. I'm not, even though this is one of the rules that we have to, this is a caution day. So we're only going to buy the euro dollar still above the 135.37. I need to make sure that I'm having this was our buy point here, the 135. So if it takes out this high, then I'm going to be a buyer. But this area over here, I'm not going to be touching it. If it comes below 134.36, which is pretty much our structure point over here, that is going to be my short point. So my short is going to be the same, my buying is going to be the same, and my structure long, what is the structure long, is 137.37. This has been a classic point for a long time, so we're going to stick with it. And the structure short here, as you see, 132.26 is right there. That is our structure point. So we're just going to stay with that. There is no particular change. And the only thing we just have to look at is the stops. So if we're going to buy at 135.37, our stop should be at 134. We can actually move the stop up 10 pips to 134.96. or we can leave it. I mean, 10 pips is not going to make any difference. Again, just 10 pips is not going to make any difference. I'm going to leave it there. And if we're going to go short below 134 36, so the stop is 134.60. It's pretty much these are good stops. Okay, so we'll leave actually there is no change in the euro dollar. These are the numbers for the euro dollar. There is basically no change in them, and we're buying above 35.37, and our stop is going to be below 134.86. We are going to go short below 134.61, and our stop is going to be if we go short above 134.86, and I'm sorry, 134.60. And if we're going, the structured long is about 200 pips away, 137.37, and our structure short is 132.66. Okay.